Digital transformation was well underway in retail when COVID-19 arrived and turned the industry on its head. Now, retailers are on the front lines of the new normal. If you're open for business, you're navigating complex challenges around social distancing, customer protection, and worker safety. If your stores are closed, you're innovating as you learn to run your business remotely. Either way, mobile technology is critical. You need to find solutions to help you cope now and then come back stronger than ever when life returns to normal. Samsung is working with many of the nation's leading retail brands on mobile innovation initiatives. These are collaborative projects where we look at the unique challenges the customer is facing and then identify the strategy, the technology, and the partners who can help. Powerful smartphones like the Galaxy Note 20 provide office, operations, and store managers a connected mobile workspace, a desktop that they can take with them anywhere. Samsung DeX means they can just connect their phone to a monitor, pair a keyboard and mouse, and access all of their work. If you're working remotely, your Samsung phone is all the computer you'll need. The S Pen is a tool that really makes sense for the retail manager because it's so natural to use. Whether for note-taking, completing forms, or just navigating more precisely within your apps, it makes getting work done on the go so much simpler. Frontline workers shouldn't be left out of the equation. Rugged smartphones like our Galaxy X Cover Pro are enabling warehouse staff and associates to become more connected with mobile push-to-talk, scanning, and mPOS applications at their fingertips. And of course, retail has already been bruised by cyber breaches, so it's critical that all these applications and data are protected. That's where Samsung Knox comes in. It gives retailers control and peace of mind that their data is secure. These are challenging times for retail, but they also represent an opportunity. It's time to grab this moment and make it a transformational one. Give your teams the tools to succeed now and when the next normal arrives.